Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin, as anticipated as well, dropped further, has made a slightly lower low compared to that wave 3 here in pink. That is theoretically what is needed to complete this wave 5 here. Yeah, this is theoretically what is needed. So yeah, we could say this wave 3 might be complete. I think I've made a probably small mistake here in the previous videos, and I understand someone was a bit confused, and I looked at the chart again and thought, yeah, something doesn't really add up here. So I'm just gonna add another layer of waves here, and we can do that together. It won't take long. So it's just the view. So there's two scenarios now, right? The first scenario is, and that we had a wave 3 here, a wave 4 here, a wave 5 here. That is what I explained in the previous video, that we came down here as a wave 3, because the wave 3 is typically the longest wave. Yeah. What we need to understand then, that we get a wave 4 here to the upside. That might be complete now, and then a wave 5 to the downside. Now, this wave 5 could then also already be complete, and we would expect a larger retracement to the upside here in, basically in a wave 2, because all of this here, what you can see here, would be another wave 1. So I have to add another layer of waves. So this would be here just we can do that here, a wave 1. Now I'm going to do another color for that. Let's do white. So this would be a wave 1. So all of this down here, yeah, in this yellow 5-wave move completed a wave 1, which means this is only the first wave of what is going to come down here and complete the red wave 5. So this means we have to add here another wave 2. Seems like an endless story, doesn't it? But we make progress in the chart, and that is really what is important. So this is the roadmap, how it's probably then going to unfold. Nothing really has changed. I'm just adding another degree of waves here, because otherwise it doesn't fully add up. Okay, and this wave 5 would complete this entire correction, and I need to do some relabeling then here as well, but doesn't matter. So what we would expect now, based on this, and let me just put the arrows here in place so you can see the roadmap on the chart here, the idea how this is going to unfold. This is going to unfold that way with the highest likelihood if we stay below here, below 30.7k. Then with a very high likelihood we are following this path, right? Something very important. So meaning, yeah, if you followed my previous videos, you probably won't have a difficulty to understand that, but if you're new on this channel, it might be a bit tricky. But what is important to understand, that here with a high likelihood up here in a wave 4 we peaked, and that there will be one more wave to the downside in red. And here I do expect the overall Bitcoin correction from the all-time high to now to complete somewhere in this yellow target area here, which is now between 20 and 25.5k. Yeah, I did shrink that down a little bit, specify that a little bit closer after we hit my overall target area below 28.7k earlier in May. This was the target area since November, December. Okay, so we've been following this path, it's all worked out, and now we just need to, we're observing here the micro moves to find out at what point is the overall correction probably over. So at the moment, I don't see it to be over yet, and looking at this, yeah, we completed here a 5-wave move. Now this wave 5 might go down a little bit lower, but it could be complete now, especially as we found support here for now. The alternative is that we had only the wave 3 complete here, that there will be another wave 4 here in yellow, that this was the wave 4, this was the wave 5, but again it would just make it a bit too complicated here. What is important to understand is just that, I just need to not talk while labeling, it's best. What is important to understand, that it looks like that we completed now an impulse to the downside in 5 waves. That this could be here wave 1, yeah. And so the wave 1 again might be complete here, yeah, if that 5-way in yellow was complete here, or it is complete here. And that we then either now, or if we lose the 29.3k level, that we will then go down here to around 28k. But then I would expect from here that we're going to see this wave 2 retracement. And this wave 2 retracement can go again quite a bit to the upside, unfortunately. So as you know, a wave 1 down and a wave 2 to the upside in a retracement. I know I hate it as well, but this is unfortunately what's going to unfold. And if this is going to play out, we could expect here the range between, I would say, 30.4k to 31.1k. Need to be careful here about above this wave 4 high, yeah. So normally if I would say if we go above this wave 4 high, then probably, I just said, the impulse is probably not going to, probably didn't unfold, but no, disregard that. So looks like this impulse is complete because we made a lower low. Yeah, it can drop even a little bit lower in this impulse, absolutely. But when this wave 1 is finished, we're expecting a retracement. And the retracement, as I said, would normally retrace into the region of the 38.2 to the 61.8% fib level. So 30.4k to 31.1k. This is what we would expect if we stay above 29.3k. If we now lose this level already, then I think we're going to go to the next support at around 28k. And we just need to see within the price structure if this is then still that wave 5 here in yellow or not. Yeah, this is a bit hard to say because a couple of scenarios can unfold here now. Either the immediate sell-off and then we go down to 28k and we go then up in the wave 2, or we go already up in the wave 2. This depends on how this is currently unfolding. It is currently, but it's very early still, it is currently looking like that we are not finished with that move down yet, because we had another red engulfing candle here and we haven't really recovered from that. So this is currently something we're looking at here. We just need to observe over the next few hours. So as soon as this low breaks 29.3, to be very exact, 29.25, move that down a little bit, now that this is the new swing low, it would be likely that we go down to 28k. Now, only if we break below 28k, then I think we are going to see here the 25.5, 25.4, 25.5k. So this is currently what I'm looking at here. So primarily I would expect now a retracement to the upside in a wave 2, but I would not rule out that we can drop a little bit further here in this wave 5 in yellow to the next swing low of 28k. And if we lose that, as I said, then we can go down straight away to 25.4. The thing is, as long as we stay above 28k, the overall channel or overall corrective wave here isn't broken. So we really need to move below 28k. So yeah, I'll keep you updated here about the wave moves that are unfolding here for Bitcoin. So as I said, primarily I would expect still a little bit of a retracement, but we just need to observe here how this is going to unfold in the next few hours. At the moment, it's a bit too weak for that retracement, but we found support. We're holding this for now, and these are the two keys. You wait for a breakout basically to the downside, and then it will be 28k the next move. Or if we move here higher above this dotted line above 29.7, I would expect that we move once more here in that wave 2 retracement, and I gave you the areas for that before we then come down. But overall for me at the moment, still the move down is in at the moment, because we can count here an impulsive move to the downside. Ideally, I would like to see that wave 5 a little bit lower, but for now we are holding here. So yeah, we just need to observe that a little bit, and I'll definitely keep you updated about Bitcoin. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.